Whoosh, Bonafide Hustler here. I'm going to start another vlog, probably a little multi-day vlog. And it starts with getting labels on these two things that sold really fast. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris, Bonafide Hustler, coming to you live from the inside of my office. And today we're just going to kind of keep a rolling vlog going on. I hope you enjoy this kind of stuff. If you do, take 1 second right now and hit the like button. And if you haven't picked this thing up yet, the free guide is down below. It also puts you on my awesome email list because, as you will see in this video, there's something special for the people that are on the email list. But if you register too late, which by the time you see this, it'll probably be a little too late to get the Cheddar report. But yeah, we're going to show you me mailing out the Cheddar report on this video. All right, so what's sold? First of all, we got two things right here. We have a Wrangler multicolored shirt in this bag right here. Sold for 60 bucks. And then probably 5 minutes after that, pair of Patagonia kind of gray stand-up shorts, called stand-up shorts. Are really, really high, well-made, high-quality shorts. They sold for 50, and I think I was maybe 14 into those. So those things are going to go out. They are first-class rates too. We all love first-class rates. You know you're a reseller when you actually see a first-class rate and you're like, oh, that is so good. But yeah, I need to get these things out to the mailman or mailwoman. Going to do a little bit of a mountain biking ride. Some of all of that footage will be on my other channel. You can check that out, called Dam on YouTube. It's a fitness-based channel, more for like, you know, fitness-based stuff, mind-based stuff, and spiritual fitness too. But that's all on the other channel. But yeah, we're going to take you on a little multi-day kind of vlog, and if you like it, just hit the like button. So let's see where the day takes us. Okay, these are all going out today. All right, don't know if you can see me. It's officially evening. Here's what. E-Money came over. Oh, dude. What do we got? Taters? What's taters? Oh, what's taters, precious? Do you think they'll know that movie?
Yeah, I don't know.
E-Money, your hair! Oh my god. Whoa, look at this. Whoa. Crazy. Alright, so he brought some potatoes over. He just randomly called me at night. He's like, hey, you want some potatoes? What? So, interesting thing, while I was in the shower, or actually when I got out of the shower, I heard my phone cha-ching. Sold a 1080 recording pair of sunglasses, which I showed in a previous video. Pivot head, I think they're called Durangos or whatever. 100 bucks. Not bad. Again, a sale on eBay, very strange, that had a best offer attached to it. And no one offered anything. They just paid full price. Makes no sense. So, anyway, bike ride was good earlier. And then I'm going to have some of E-Money's potatoes. But that's pretty much the night right here. We're watching some movie called Code 8 on Netflix. Who knows if it's going to be any good. But we'll see you in the morning, and we'll see if anything else sells overnight or something like that. Never know. Especially the next day. Just got done riding with my friend Matt. Yeah, let me show you those glasses that actually sold. Also got an offer for a little bike computer slash, yeah, it's like a Garmin bike computer. For 65 bucks, I counted it at 75. It's asking at around 100 bucks. So we'll see if I get that 75. Who knows? But right now I'm about to put these glasses into this eBay case right here. These are the pivot head Durango, I want to say. So yeah, really nice 8 GB internal storage, records at 1080, I believe, or maybe 720p, who knows. But I'm going to fold this box up. Oh, I got an eBay box. Fancy. But yeah, I'm going to put these in there, first class rate. Those sold for 100 bucks, and they were a $20 pickup at a pawn shop like a while back. My original intentions were to use this thing during garage sales so I could bring you guys into the sale with me. But they're just so, they're not super easy to operate, and they're just so douchey looking. Oh my gosh, I can't do it, I can't do it, I can't. I'd much rather have just like an iPhone in my pocket or something, because, no. And they're kind of, I mean, if you look carefully, they're kind of obvious, right? What do you guys think? Yes, sir. Oh, I saved 29%. $3.39 to go out. I'll take it all day long. All right, later on in the evening, there's a bike going to the back of that truck right there. Just sold a bike that I picked up for 25 bucks last Saturday. Maybe it was Sunday, I don't know. Just sold it for 120. Exactly what I was thinking I was going to sell it for. It's actually on the Cheddar report too, so if you didn't get the Cheddar reports, all good. Maybe the next one, but I did put that bike in the Cheddar report. I said exactly, like, I'll probably sell it for 120. And off it goes. Bye, Land Cruiser. Thanks for buying it. All right, it's officially the next day. I'm going to get the Cheddar report out to the peeps. So if you're watching this right now, I already sent out the report, but you should still get on my email list. And the way you get on it is by getting the free guide, first link down below. It automatically puts you on my email list, which you will get these Cheddar reports about once a month. But yeah, I'm gonna get this thing created right now. And I'll get this thing sent out. Basically, I'm putting it right into this kind of deal, the email autoresponder, and I'll make sure to send it out. Oh snap, there it is. You'll click on that when you get the email, and that's where the Cheddar report is. Booyah, it's going out. That's done. Also last night, I think right before I went to bed, I sold a Ferrari windbreaker. I think I am 10 or 13 bucks into it, sold it for 50. It was a $70 item, got a $50 offer, I took it. And we'll see what else I can actually sell today. I do want to end this vlog here, open up another one that will start tomorrow morning or perhaps even tonight, and it'll maybe bring us through the weekend. We'll see if I can find anything to resell. I frequently, you know, take a look at places like Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, and even Nextdoor app all the time for things. Contemplating buying a pair of Lucchese Antelope boots that are on the Nextdoor app in our town. So I'm contemplating it. I don't know if it's worth 20, 25 bucks. I've got to do some research, but these are the kind of things that you know, I'm looking for on these Nextdoor kind of apps and Facebook Marketplace and things like that. So you can still find some deals, but you do have to check periodically throughout the day and be hyper aware. And then when the deal comes, you have to be able to leave your house and go. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. You know, if you enjoyed it to this part and you watched the whole thing, then hit the like button, put a comment down below, because people seem to like these kind of vlogs. And I will see you on the next one. All right, take it easy. Goodbye.